it's a special marine warning. That's a special marine warning.
You think people are out there sailing today?
No.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine
Listen,
warning for
idiot.
coastal waters from East Cape Sable to Chokoloskee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 3 p.m.
Hurricane.
At 2:15 p.m.,
I don't know
severe
who
thunderstorms
sailed
capable
hurricane.
of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Shark Point to near East Cape Canal, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Middle Cape Sable, Shark Point, Whitewater Bay, and Northwest Cape Sable.
Other countries.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Virginia.
Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
We were coming up the East Coast, and of course we're going north to get
A
up
tornado
to,
warning remains in effect
Virginia.
until